Create trainers in Easy Gym software. You can upload profile picture from your local storage or take picture from your computer's camera. Upload full name of your trainer. Enter their contact number. Enter email. Enter date of birth and select the gender. You can also upload any document or any ID proof of your trainers. You can enter address, person training commission, which will automatically calculate commission of your trainer when personal training invoice is created. Monthly salary of your trainer. You can create username and password and set their status. And set their status through above username and password. Your trainer can log in through EasyGym software and make workout plan, diet plan, and update body measurements of your client.